Helen Margetts. I'm a Professor of Society and the Internet at the University of Oxford and Director of the Oxford Internet Institute. I'm also a Fellow at the Alan Turing Institute for Data Science. This is my third time at the conference. I was a keynote speaker last year. What brings me here? Well, I'm a social scientist, I'm a political scientist, and the idea that we now have data of a kind of scale and scope that social science has never had before has been very exciting to me for many years now. And I'm very interested in the possibilities of what we can do with large-scale data sources of real-time transactional data, both in terms of kind of understanding the social world, understanding the political world, and also improving it, making it better. And I think really for government and for policy making, there's rather a lag. The corporate sector is already talking about the big data backlash, and we're still rather far from the point where government and policy making has kind of capitalised on the potential of new sources of data. So conferences like this help people get together and talk about the possibilities, possible innovations, and that's a valuable thing. In terms of government, we've just been talking about, in the session on government by algorithm, we've just been talking about some of the biggest challenges, because we've heard about all the possibilities and all the technologies, particularly blockchain technologies, that might be used to do things. But government in general, and possibly the UK government in particular, has struggled with digital technologies, and you need a kind of infrastructure of digital government, as the speakers just said, in order to be able to make the most of data, because it's your digital government infrastructure that's going to generate the data from which you can yield insight. And I think that's the biggest challenge that we face.